So that just happened?
Yeah.
I see lights over there. Oh wow. Yeah, damn. That's crazy. Oh yeah, there's no saving that. I'm worried about the ones next to it. And hopefully they got out. Did you look down the road? Was there people? But they're out of the house.
Looking like it. There's a bunch of cars full over too. No one's watching.
They're even home.
Holy crap.
It was massive when I went by right now.
I kind of want to walk down there. You know, just to the end of the street. I don't want
There's cars pulled over and parked. It's a big old mess over here by our mailbox.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that steam to the left? It almost looks like maybe they got some water on it or something. Or is that smoke?
Because it's turning black once it goes up a little higher.
Okay.
See up above the light?
Yeah.
Look, it's all black. Oh, I hear it. It might be steam now. You hear it?
Yeah.
I hear a hose. If I was the neighbor, I'd be spraying my roof down and shit right now.
No shit. I've got firefighters over here at our hydrant on our street. I'm gonna walk down there. Jeez. That sheriff just said there's no hydrant on that street. That is crazy. That's gotta be 400 or 500 feet long hose. And the house is down at the end of the road here. Looks like it's down to just some vapor, so hopefully they got it. Our whole neighborhood is blocked off now. Pretty nuts. Alrighty. Let's see if I can balance this on my head. Okay. Connect. I got the hiccups. Okay, are you connected? I guess. Yep, we got a light. Must be good. Wow, look at all that from this mesquite tree. Alright, I gotta make sure there's nothing in the way. Sorry, in the way of the belts or the fan. Looks good. I gotta run this thing. I think my brother just showed up. Okay. Come on. Oh, dang it. Okay. Okay. Looks good, huh? Okay. This thing hasn't been started in like 2 months. Oh, there's a shoe. Okay, I wonder how many pumps it's gonna take. 1,000,000? Okay. Come on, baby. Holy crap. I let up on the key and it started. Nice. Wow, after a few months, that's pretty good. Okay. She runs like a top. gotta fire this guy up too. Also, did you guys know that Onan is basically Cummins? Alright, let's see. It's gonna take a while because this sucks gas from the same fuel tank, but it only goes down to about a quarter of the way up. So if you fall asleep with this running, it won't completely run you out. It'll leave you a quarter of a tank. So here we go. So it has to suck the fuel up in that line, and so I gotta do this for, I don't know, 10-15 seconds probably. This actually is a 2-cylinder, and first time I went to change the plugs, I didn't know that. Come on, baby. Nice. And they don't make stuff like they used to. Guys, I think I just saw raccoons. We don't even have raccoons here. Right there, look. See if they jump up on the wall. Yeah, freaking raccoons, man. That is crazy. So the reason why I got so excited is I've never seen them. They don't live here. Check it out. The reason why I said they were raccoons right off the bat is I saw that little black eye mask thing that they have. I'm going to play it one more time and so you guys can get a better look. You kind of got to go off the, yeah, on the second one I can see it's black. On its eyes or whatever, but is that how they move? Does that look like how a raccoon moves? I guess that's what I'm asking because I never see them. So anyway, somebody let me know. I clean these bolts up so I can paint them with the wire wheel. I think these were seatbelt bolts, so I'm assuming that's grade 10. I don't know. It can't be the size because that's way bigger than 10 millimeter, but if it is a grade 10 or class 10 or whatever, I think they're good for like 150,000 psi. I forget the millipascal or pascals or whatever they rate them in, but they're really strong. If that's what that means, I don't even know. Maybe somebody on here does. Is that what that means? Grade 10 or no? Because usually it's 10.9 or something. I don't know. Never seen it just 10, but well, maybe I have. I went ahead and painted this too, just to kind of see. I saved these. I was going to throw them away a long time ago, and I was like, I'll save them just to see. stick it on real quick. This side's more in the shade. I'm just gonna clean it just in case we end up leaving it on. I think it was somewhere in here. Whoa, but no. Well, I guess that's where I'm gonna stick it. Not again. It's on fire now. Anyway, what do you guys think of that? I don't know. It doesn't look terrible. I'll probably leave it. Having to push so hard on this stupid can to get anything to come out of it. I have to use both thumbs. Oh, there it goes. Now it's free. I'm going to paint this other one. And I'm going to hit this with a second coat. A lot. My third can of the stuff, and I have a feeling I'm going to need more. Oh, no. Get some in there. Okay. So I was cleaning the bolts, now I'm cleaning the nuts. And they're pretty nasty, but look at that face I just cleaned, and all of them have it. Here's one that I've already done all the sides on, and so the bolts have a number 10, and then the nuts have like this little ruler marking. Does anybody know what that is? I don't know. My dad stopped by for a little bit, but I had this, the one that I stuck on there, and I think this clear stuff's a little thinner, so I think I'm going to put it on there and just go ahead and put them on. And I think I'd use this, and this stuff sticks really well. There's one. And I can't cut straight to save my life, but it's okay. Two. Alright, I'll put them on and then show you guys. Anyway, yeah, my camera skills aren't the best, but that's what it looks like. Whew, it is a warm one today. I'm just waiting for that first coat of bed liner to flash over. I
killed one of the cans, so I took the top off and it's soaking in alcohol. I'm hoping I can switch it to the other can that I've been having to like break my thumbs trying to depress because, yeah, all the tops aren't created equal. They don't all work that good, so. Anyway, I did want to thank the people that bought one of these shirts. I put a link a few videos back, and so that means the link does work. And then I wanted to especially thank Ryan. I won't say his last name, and he actually lives in Peoria, which is part of Phoenix, which is, you know, the next town up from Tucson here in Arizona. So thank you, Ryan. He got a couple things off the store. He bought one of these shirts, and then I think it was the... if you guys saw that video, I tried to make, like, when I was going through the Etsy store idea phase where I was trying to get rich doing that, I tried to make stuff for men, women, kids, all kinds of stuff, but I believe that shirt was the one that said emotional support human. It's like HOOMAN, like a dog was saying it, you know, like the dog's walking the human or whatever. And then it has like paw prints and hearts and stuff like that, but anyways, yeah, he got one of each, so I was thinking it was like a his and hers thing or whatever. If you are watching, Ryan, thank you very much. And then a while back I signed up for that Amazon affiliate program, so I've been trying to remember to put the wrap and other things that I use a lot in the descriptions. A lot of people have said they really like the color, and I think two people, maybe three, have said they're actually going to try and wrap their vehicles with it. And I did a lot of research before I picked this wrap, and I've always known for a while that Avery Dennison was a good brand, but I was trying to find the most user-friendly wrap because I had never done it until I got this stuff. But it's still not the easiest thing in the world to do, but if I can do it, trust me, anybody can. And all it takes is a little bit of patience. And if you get frustrated, just stop. Just walk away. You can't hurt it by walking away from it. You can always come back and add heat later, and you can unstick it and restick it as many times as you want until you get it like dirty. So it's kind of harder on this thing because I've had to do body work on just about every panel. So there's dust galore. But if you're just wrapping a car where all you got to do is like wash it and scrub it down, you know, I think people usually do like a clay bar to get it really super clean before they wrap. But if you're doing like clear coat, oh my god, that would be so easy compared to like what I'm having to do with the Bondo and sanding and spray paint and sanding and all that stuff. But anyways, I'm going on a tangent now, but anyway, yeah, I'll try to... YouTube changed the way they do stuff. I remember laying in bed watching YouTube, and even though I like cast it to my TV usually, if they had a link for a product, I could just like look at my tablet and click on it. And now they've made it, because I've bought quite a few things off the links on YouTube, and now you actually have to find the description, click more, and then like scroll up to until you find it. So YouTube's made it a lot harder for people to find stuff, but I don't know, YouTube, what you're doing. Anyway, I'm gonna see if this has flashed over yet and try to get the second. Flip it over and get the first coat on. Are you kidding me? I just started the time lapse. This is maybe a foot and a half, maybe not even, maybe like 6 inches away from... I swear to God, it's the same bird that crapped on my other diamond plate. They must be hanging out up on the roof right there and crapping on my stuff. I started the time lapse and I went to go flip it over and I'm like, what is that? But if you guys saw that video, that other one was even a bigger pile of crap. What was that? But yeah, it's dry. Let's see if it wipes off. Oh! Pour some alcohol. Try to break it off with the dry part, and then
cool. Stupid bird. Okay, back to the time lapse.
So I was just getting ready to like start sanding this, and I was looking at where this rubbed on here, and I, couldn't help myself, so I tugged on it and broke it. So yeah, but I do have these that came with my soft top, so I'm gonna see if I can rig something up. Hopefully I can just cut the stitching on it. Get it out of there, and even though it won't be stitched, I'm hoping I can rig something. Sorry about that, I was talking to my neighbor about that fire last night, and anyway, I think I got it figured out. This one is still in good enough shape to work, so it'll do its thing over the top. And then I just gotta bolt these together, and then they should be adjustable just by doing the Velcro thing. And hopefully that's good enough. I can't imagine with this lip right here, as long as it can't come up, then it can't really go anywhere, but we'll see. I'm going to take these off actually for now. That's what I was actually going for with that other one. I was going to try to take it off so I can paint it. And then I saw that, and then I pulled too hard and it broke. And, I don't know. This will come off, I think. Cool. Alrighty, so I can paint that. I probably don't have enough, but I'm not going to paint the face of this, but I might hit it with that rust reformer, but it's getting dark though, so I'm going to hit this again actually, and see what I can get done with the light I got. Ah, geez, look at this. I want to throw the bumper on, but I got no light out here, so I left the Jeep out here. But I need to flip that around and look how much crap I got in front of it. I just won't have enough light to do it out here. But okay, well, I guess I know what I need to do. I just got to do it. This just took me about 20 minutes just to find a combination of screws, because when I broke the one off, which led to me heating it up, which led to me melting the handle, which led, anyway, a lot of extra work I caused myself with that whole debacle. Anyways, I think I finally found some hardware that should work. I was just going to give the bumper a once over. Should be good enough to mount, and all that hardware has been painted since earlier today. That's those bolts with the 10 stamped into them, so I will do that where I got some good light in here, and then I'll probably have to flip it back around to, I still got to put the inside panel on this. Still got to sand and paint those, but that is the panel that came out of it. And I kind of tried to put it back on the other night, which I can't do yet till I get the lock in and everything, but I was having a really hard time even lining the screws up and stuff, so I guess we'll see. But that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to let that dry and go clean the rabbit cage. Look what my phone does every night. Every night it seems to think I'm in Las Vegas. And then if I click on it, it brings up where I'm actually at usually. It's so freaking weird. I don't understand it. Anyways, it's on there. I don't know if it's straight. Let's see here. Let me sit down kind of low. To do any kind of adjustment, I will have to wallow out those holes I drilled, because when it's all locked in, I can beat on it without the nuts even tight, and I can't do anything. So if anything, that side looks a tiny bit low. I don't know. Oh, got bump ridge though. I think it's far enough out to where if it gets into a wreck, it'll hopefully treat that as like a little bit of a crumple zone with the between the angle iron and these deals right here. So the metal should flare those out a little bit if it hits something really hard, and then I don't know. I guess I'll just have to run into something and test it, huh? Now maybe like that. I don't know. I'll try it. Please don't break. Please don't break. Don't break. Alright. At least it closes on its own now. Oh, and that wrap is peeling up right there too. Okay. That needs work because it is rusted. I'll show you. Nowhere else on here except for the whole top or bottom, whatever that is. Oddly enough, I think that's the top. And then these two things need to be painted. And then the actual tank itself, I don't know. I really want to paint it with the gray, but I'm not sure if that will stand up to the elements. I might do it anyway, and then maybe like clear coat it or something, because it is like a dead balls on match for that wrap, and I think that will look good with the bed liner sprayed on that, and then the tank. I don't know, maybe I should look at the tank. I think it's just a plastic jug. Yeah, okay. Okay. That other one said USMC.
Fabrique in Canada. No kidding. I guess that means it was made in Canada. Scepter Corporation. EPA exempt for military use only. Uh-oh. I guess I can't use it.
Okay, this is going to be satisfying. Boop. Oh, yeah. So, this is the lock, and you can actually see the key right above my thumbnail, or where, if I had nails, where my thumbnail would be. See, the key actually goes all the way in there. But it does not turn. And no, I didn't get any paint in there. Unless I did. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe that center ring is fused to the outer ring. This center ring is fused to that ring. I don't know. I'll fiddle with it for a minute. Alrighty. I shot some blaster in the keyhole and now it works fine. I just shot silicone in there. They actually sponsor that guy that I watch a lot, but No Nonsense Know How. And I wonder when he says they sponsor him, if he means they actually pay him or if they just give him like free stuff. Sometimes I wish I had little baby hands. But that usually means you got little baby other parts too, so I'm kind of okay with it not having them. Alright. Ooh. Maybe. Just maybe. Oh, did it go? Okay. Damn. Comes out with the force. So messy. Okay, if that doesn't work 800% better, then I'm not going to be happy with my choice to do that. Let's see. Alright, good enough. Okay, so that goes there. I've tried this multiple ways the other night, and it just didn't want to line up. It just gets that. Okay, that is back on. And you guys hear this? That is not okay. I bet that's why they had that damn strip. I didn't think the strip was underneath that, though. Check it out now. And I don't even have all the... Much better. I got a piece here, here, all the way across. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call it a night here in a few and probably wrap this video, but I did want to show you how I'm going to look at how much that stretched here and here, and I've already gone around and done a bunch of them, but after doing that experiment before, you can, where I put a ton of heat on it, I just have this on the lowest setting right now. So, I mean, it's still hotter than hell. But anyway, I'm just taking like a little slit like that. And, actually, I'm going to start way the hell over here. And I'm trying not to, like, push too much. I'm trying to push straight in. And then I'll heat it again. And then kind of go
sideways or whatever. Try to get it out. But sorry for the ugly fingers. I always get paint under my nails on my right hand, I guess, because I sand with that hand. They say not to leave the heat on for more than 2 or 3 seconds, but and I used to follow that rule, but after doing that experiment, now I actually get it a little hotter. I'm curious with getting that extra heat in there if it's gonna stay down or if I'm gonna have to do something else. I'm already thinking about doing like an inlay on this whole thing down here. But it's weird when you add heat, that slit goes away, it totally disappears. Stuff is like magical. Yeah, where'd my slit go? You guys saw it right now. It's holding air again. What the hell? I gotta break this off, so I got a new blade. Okay, that's definitely a hole. Let's heat it up and see if it goes away. Yeah, it's still there this time. Okay, down a little bit. Right there, and all the way across. What a bummer. Let's make another slit right there. Oh wow. And right there. I think when you get it hot, the glue like seals it. And I think this being whatever they call it, where you can just push the air out of it, I think that's what allows the air back in, because it's got to be like somewhat permeable to do that. But I think a lot of them are these days, and I definitely wanted that because I'm not very good, so it's so nice being able to just push the air bubbles out instead of having to work them to an edge. But anyways, I'll get that off camera, but I'll set this down. Alrighty guys, well, as you can see, I still got a huge mess to clean up. I gotta get the Jeep in, but that's painted. The jug is not. It's not sanded or painted, and the spare tire deal isn't either, so that'll probably be the beginning of the next video. But alrighty guys, sorry I didn't get more done, but you know how it goes. 2 pieces left, so that should be coming soon. Alright guys, as always, I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you very soon. Take care.